Welcome to Venturz. In today's video, we will learn how to use the Venturz website builder. Start by creating a new page on the dashboard. You'll see the option to create a new page. Go ahead and click the Create Page button. Instead of selecting a template, we'll proceed by creating a blank page. Now that we've created our page, the next step is to give it a name. Simply enter your desired page name in the provided field. Click to open the page and begin customizing. Next, click on the three dots in the top right corner and set the page width to 100% for a full width layout. Next, we'll use the rich text editor to customize your content. Here, you can easily adjust the text color, size, font, alignment, and more. To upload an image, simply type / in the editor and you'll see the upload option appear. Click on it. Once your image is uploaded, you'll see a drag and drop editor that allows you to resize and adjust the image as needed. You can easily resize the image to fit your layout by dragging the corners, ensuring it looks just right on your page. Additionally, you can use our stock images library for your website. Simply search for the image you need, select it, and it will be automatically added to your page. Next, click on the 6-dot icon to access additional settings for your element. Here, you can set the margin, padding, and border to adjust the spacing around your content. You can also set a background color, adjust the width and height, and customize many more options to fine-tune the layout and design of your page. To add a button, simply type / in the editor and you'll see the option to add a button. Click on it to add it to your page. Next, click on the 6-dot icon to access the button settings. Here, you can adjust the padding, margin, and border radius. You can also change the background color, set the width and height, and customize other properties to make your button look exactly how you want. To embed a video, simply type / in the editor and click on the Embed button. Once selected, you'll need to paste the video URL into the provided field. After pasting the URL, press Enter, and your video will be embedded directly into your page, ready for viewing. Once your video is embedded, click on the 6-dot icon to access additional settings. Here, you can adjust the padding, margin, and border radius around the video. You can also change the background color, set the width and height, and customize other properties to fit your design perfectly. To get started with Venturz AI, simply type / and then click on Ask AI. Now, let me show you how to use it. First, I'll write an SEO-optimized meta description using Venturz AI. Simply input your content or keyword, and Venturz AI will help you craft the perfect description. But that's not all. Venturz AI can also create images, videos, AI voices, and much more to enhance your website content and make it more engaging. Next, let's add an authorized button. Simply type / in the editor and click on the Authorize button option. Once added, click on the 6-dot icon to access the settings. Here, you can adjust the padding, margin, radius, border, background color, width, height, and more to customize the button's appearance. This authorized button can be used for user signups or logins, making it a useful feature for allowing users to securely access your site. Now, let's add a page divider. To do this, simply type / in the editor and click on the divider button. The divider will appear on your page as a horizontal line, which is great for separating content sections and making your page look more organized. To add lists, such as bullet, numbered, or to-do lists, simply type / in the editor and select the block you want to use. For this example, I'll add a bullet list. Bullet lists are great for highlighting key points or features. You can easily add, remove, and rearrange items, making your content clean and easy to read. To add a quote to your content, simply type / in the editor and click the Quote button. Once added, you can customize the quote using the rich text editor. In the rich text editor, you can adjust the text color, size, font, and alignment to make your quote stand out. You can also modify the background color and other styling options to match your website's design. Let's add columns to your page. To do this, simply type / in the editor and click on the Column button. Once the column is added, click on the 6-dot icon to access the column settings. Here, you can scroll down and change the number of columns based on your layout needs. You can also adjust the padding, margin, border radius, and background color to style the columns. Additionally, you have the option to customize the column width, giving you full control over how the content is displayed in each column. Now, add a form to your page. Simply type / in the editor and click on the Form button. Once the form is added, click on the Edit button to customize it. You can easily edit the form fields by clicking on any existing field. This allows you to change the label, placeholder text, and field type. To add new fields to your form, simply click on the Add Field button. You can select from a variety of field types to collect the data you need. Once you've customized your form, click on the 6-dot icon to adjust settings like padding, margin, background color, and other design options to match your website style. Move on to adding an image or video canvas to your page. Simply type / in the editor and select either the image canvas or video canvas option. After adding the canvas, you have complete freedom to design it however you like. Use the text editor to add text, integrate shapes, and incorporate various elements to fully customize your canvas to match your style and needs. Click on the 6-dot icon to access additional settings. Scroll down, and you'll find options to add elements and shapes to your canvas. This allows you to further customize your design by incorporating various shapes, text, and other elements to enhance the overall look and feel of your page. To add it, simply type / in the editor and select the Last Update block option. Once added, it will dynamically show the last time your page was updated, keeping your visitors informed. Now, add products to your page. Simply type / in the editor and select the Products option. Once added, you can customize the product display by selecting the products you want to showcase. Next, let's add a table to your page. To do this, simply type / in the editor and select the Table option. Once added, you can easily customize the table by adjusting the number of rows and columns to suit your needs. You can also edit the content within each cell and style the table as needed. Add a member calendar to your page. Simply type / in the editor and click on the Member Calendar option. After adding the calendar, select the member you want to schedule a meeting with. You can then set up available times, book appointments, and manage meeting schedules directly from the calendar. Now add the Author button to your page. Simply type / in the editor and select the Author option. After adding the button, you can enter the author details for the website or article. This allows you to display the author's name, bio, and image. Next, let's add the database block to your page. Simply type / in the editor and select the database block option. After adding the block, you can connect it to your website's database. For example, I'll add customer reviews from the database. This allows you to dynamically display the most recent reviews or any other data you wish to showcase on your page. Finally, let's add a code block to your page. To do this, simply type / in the editor and select the Code Block option. This allows you to add custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript code to your page. You can use this to include advanced customizations or integrate third-party tools and scripts into your website.